Why was my asylum seeker permit blocked? If you recently tried to renew your asylum seeker permit but found it blocked, you may be wondering why. Without an official letter from Home Affairs citing rejection on grounds like manifestly unfounded, or abusive or fraudulent, the issue is likely due to an administrative error rather than a problem with your status. Let's explore this situation in more detail. Your application for an accompanying spouse visa. You mentioned applying for an accompanying spouse visa, having already received a waiver allowing you to submit this application from within South Africa. The Constitutional Court ruling in Ahmed versus Minister of Home Affairs guarantees that asylum seekers are permitted to apply for visas under the Immigration Act. Thus, the issue with your asylum renewal should not affect your accompanying spouse visa application. An accompanying spouse visa, while different from a spousal visa granted to a South African citizen's partner, allows the non-working spouse of a temporary resident to live in South Africa. It is valid for 3 years and may be renewed, although the accompanying spouse cannot work or study. However, as an asylum seeker with a Section 22 permit, you retain the right to work and study in the country. Challenges with the online renewal process. The online renewal of asylum permits can lead to one of 3 outcomes, according to the Scalabrini Center. 1. PDF visa. If your application is complete, you will receive a valid visa electronically. 2. Request for additional information. If your submission is incomplete, Home Affairs may request further documentation. 3. In-person appointment. In cases where further evaluation is needed, you may be asked to visit a refugee reception office, as happened in your case. Given that Home Affairs did not provide a formal rejection letter regarding your asylum status, the block on your renewal could be attributed to inefficiencies in the system rather than a legal issue. If Home Affairs had made a decision to deny you refugee status, they would be required to provide written reasons which could be appealed. The blockage of your asylum seeker permit is likely due to administrative complications at Home Affairs, not a reflection of your legal status. Your accompanying spouse visa application should proceed as normal, but seeking legal advice could help ensure your rights are protected throughout this process.